My name is Ashley Alvarez, but I go as Shans. I'm a hairdresser, work in production. I do image consulting, styling, everything under the umbrella that is beauty. That's me. So Danette, I actually found Danette because I needed someone to do my lips. I was petrified. It was something I was very, 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 very scared to do. And I think I was already, I'm going to age drop here, but 33, and had been thinking about it for years and did a lot of research, came across her, and walked in. That was it. That was the end of that. She's beautiful. Danette, I mean, you look at her face and you're like, yo, how do I look like that? I want to look like you. Whatever happens to your face, I'm here to do that. But no, she is beyond beautiful, amazing. Her brain is just, she has so much knowledge in there. She can't shut up. She's become one of my best friends at this point because we've just connected in such a way that it's the brain's just going. Danette is the Dr. House of 2020. Am I allowed to say that? Sure. The Dr. House of 2023. Were we in 2020? Yeah, 2023 and on. I have sent Danette every single person that I know. From someone that's suffering from, I don't know, feeling insecure from having crow's feet to someone that has Hashimoto's because whatever Hashimoto's has. And I just know that if I don't know how to pronounce it, Danette's going to know how to fix it. And basically, I mean, she looks at things in a very different way, which in a different realm and on a different side of the world, I do as well. So that's how kind of we combined a little bit because of like the different angles in which we look at things. It's not just like a direct line. It's not black and white. You can find different ways to fix things. She is not trying to medicate you. She's not trying to she's not trying to make money off of you. She's trying to fix you. And you can tell that by the way that she is explaining things. You can see the compassion when she's speaking and the knowledge that comes she just can't, when she starts talking to you, I remember one of the times, I was just here for a consultation. I was here for 6 hours. A whole 6 hours. And I didn't even realize that it was 6 hours until after. And my brain, you have to ask her one day. I mean, I'm sure in this situation she'll tell you, but she laughs at the way that I explain like the threads because I get these collagen threads, I think they're called, like PDO threads, and the way that she explained it to me and the way that my brain like computed it. I've had so many people come over here because I really believe in the way that she like regenerates things. Like she just like brings it back to life from the inside, like makes your body do it. She just facilitates, like, go. So when I first came to her, I felt comfortable with Danette because she didn't give me exactly what I wanted when I wanted it. My lips were paper thin, and not that they're huge now, but she took me very slowly and made me very comfortable with the process. And also, I mean, you can't tell today, but I'm like full of tattoos and I'm petrified of needles. I am super scared of everything and I cry when she's injecting me, and she's always very warm when it comes to that. She takes that into consideration. She'll take the extra effort. She'll put the extra stuff on me so that I'm not losing my mind. But she went slow. She got me to where I'm at now. So from gaining my trust, from doing my lips slowly and like kind of like working and doing what I wanted without scaring me with the process, then she started saying, oh, like, why don't we try the threads? So I started doing like the PDO threads, which I had actually realized that my skin was changing, and she just kind of like slowly started doing little things and stuff that in the long run, I won't have to spend the money as much because she's making my body do the work now. So she's kind of like giving me like the youth serum and saying, here, go and like preserve yourself. Once we started speaking and I got to know her brain, I personally have a kind of like a female uterus type of situation that no one can really explain to me. And it was always one of those like, oh, you need to go to this specialist to go figure that out, and then do this test and go to this specialist and figure it out, and do this test. And I never got a response. And the responses that I did get, I brought over to her, and they made absolutely no sense. So we did a whole hormone, I think it's called like a hormone panel, and checked everything. She went, I mean, when I tell you, she sat and explained every single line to me. There was nothing, nothing missed at all. So I've done that. I've sent someone that, sent multiple of my clients. I mean, I can't really say exactly what they have had done, but weight problems that have resulted in, they came for weight and realized that it was because they had an underlying issue somewhere else. So she, again, Dr. Housed it, and you're here for like the aesthetic part of it. And then she's like, yeah, okay, cool. Let's make you pretty, but let's fix your head first. And we go that way. And then she like, then makes you skinny and healthy. It's like a conundrum. A place you come to fix yourself. A place you come to have someone that really cares about your well-being. A human that will never, Danette's a human that will never just give you an answer because she has the next person waiting. I've had her literally have somebody waiting and have them like push them 2 hours out because she couldn't stop what was happening here. This was just as important as the next person. So that next person she wasn't gonna get out of here till 2 a.m. So she's literally, she puts 150% in to everyone. Like, you can guarantee that you're gonna come out of here with a boatload of knowledge and definitely some sort of answer of some sort.